Today, I came across a YouTube channel, and I honestly couldn't believe how much money it is making. The most surprising part is that construction-style AI videos still getting monetized and performing extremely well. In this video, you don't have to do anything except watch until the very end. I'll show you exactly how I create these amazing construction videos using completely free AI tools. Yes, you heard that right. 100% free tools. There is no need to buy expensive software or invest in paid AI platforms. By following the same process, you can create videos like these and potentially earn a great income from the comfort of your home. The only thing you need is the right guidance from someone who has already gone through the process. That's exactly why I'm here, to teach you step by step and help you avoid common mistakes. My team and I are always here to support you. If you have any questions at any point, simply leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. Now let's move over to ChatGPT. I'll provide you with a powerful master prompt. All you have to do, copy and paste, it into ChatGPT. Once you paste the prompt, ChatGPT will ask you what type of construction project you want to create. For example, you can choose a modern house, a farmhouse, a luxury villa, a cabin, a beach house, a Japanese Zen house, or many other building styles. If you already have your own idea, simply type it in, and ChatGPT will generate the complete construction sequence for that specific building. If you don't have any idea, don't worry. Just use one of the options included in the prompt I provided. Simply select any building from the list, and ChatGPT will handle everything for you. Now watch how intelligently ChatGPT creates the entire construction process. It starts from an empty piece of land, then generates the site preparation, foundation construction, structural framing, wall construction, roof installation, exterior finishing, landscaping, and finally reveals the fully completed building. Every construction stage is generated in the correct order, making the entire workflow realistic and ready to use for AI video generation. For generating the construction images, we're going to use Google Gemini, and this is one of the most important steps in the entire process, so make sure you follow carefully. First, open Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have an account, simply log in using your Gmail. Once you're inside Gemini, you'll see the chat interface. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the construction image prompt it generated for your selected building. Whether you're creating a modern house, a farmhouse, a luxury villa, a Japanese Zen house, or any other building, ChatGPT will generate a separate prompt for every stage of the construction process. Return to Google Gemini and paste the first prompt into the chat box. Before generating the image, there is one small but very important step. At the end of the prompt, add your preferred image ratio. For example, use or 16:9. For YouTube landscape videos, or 9:16. For YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. This helps Gemini generate images in the exact format you need. Now simply press Enter and let Gemini generate the image. When I tested it, I was genuinely surprised by the quality. The construction site looked incredibly realistic, almost like footage captured from a real building project. The machinery looked detailed, the workers appeared natural, the lighting matched real daylight, and every construction material, from concrete and bricks to steel beams, scaffolding, excavators and cranes, looked highly realistic. The environment maintained the appearance of an authentic construction site rather than an AI-generated image. Another thing that impressed me was the consistency. Since ChatGPT generates the prompts in the correct construction sequence, the building progresses naturally from one stage to the next. It starts with an empty piece of land, moves to site preparation, foundation work, structural framing, wall construction, roof installation, exterior finishing, landscaping, and finally reveals the completed building. This makes your final video look like a real time-lapse construction documentary. I also checked each image carefully for common AI issues, such as distorted machinery, unrealistic workers, broken construction equipment, missing structural details, strange objects, blurry textures, or inconsistent building progress. Alright everyone, Now it's time to generate our construction videos using Vibes. It's one of the easiest AI video generators I've used, and it's perfect for turning static construction images into realistic animated videos. Open Vibes, click Create, and start a new project. Once it opens, select Start Frame and upload the first construction image we created in Google Gemini. Now copy the matching animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Vibes, and click Generate. After a few seconds, your first construction animation will be ready. You can see the empty land come to life with workers, excavators, machinery, and realistic construction movement. The animation looks smooth and feels like real construction footage. Now upload the second image, paste the next animation prompt, and click Generate again. You'll see the foundation construction begin with workers installing steel bars, pouring concrete, and preparing the building base. Continue repeating the same process for every stage until you've generated the complete construction sequence, including the structural frame, exterior walls, roof installation, finishing work, landscaping, and finally the completed house. One thing I really like about Vibes is that it can generate multiple versions of the same scene, so if you're not satisfied with one result, you can simply generate another. It also keeps the building structure consistent throughout the animation, making the final video look much more realistic. Now here's a useful tip. If your downloaded video includes a Meta AI watermark, simply click the three-dot menu, choose Copy Link, then open Manus 1.6 Lite. Paste the link into the prompt box and type, "Please remove the Meta logo and give me a clean video." Press Enter, and within a short time, Manus will generate a clean version without the watermark. Download the clean video and repeat the same process for the remaining clips if needed. That's it. You've created a complete AI construction video from an empty piece of land to a fully finished building using free AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.